In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your PayPal account from eBay, updated for 2025. Whether you're looking to streamline your online finances or simply prefer a different payment method, unlinking your PayPal is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started by heading over to your computer. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the website loads, make sure to log into your account using your username and password. If you've enabled two-step verification, you may need to confirm your identity with a code sent to your email or phone. After you've successfully logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the My eBay option. Go ahead and click on it and then select Summary from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your personalized eBay dashboard. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry, interfaces can vary slightly, so just look for similar options. Now that you're on the summary page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find the account settings option, which is where we want to go next. Click on account settings, and you'll be directed to a page filled with sections pertaining to different account facets. Within the account settings, we're focusing on the section labeled payments. Click on that, and it should expand to give you more detailed options about your payment methods. Among these options, you should see PayPal account. Once you've located it, you'll see either a remove or unlink account button, depending on the interface design eBay is using in your region. When you've clicked remove or unlink account, you'll usually see a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. This is a security measure to ensure that the action you're about to take is exactly what you want. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification or see an on-screen confirmation that your PayPal account has been successfully unlinked from eBay. It's important to remember that this process won't delete your PayPal account. It simply detaches it from your eBay profile. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've managed to unlink your PayPal from eBay, giving you the flexibility to explore other payment methods or simply tidy up your financial connections. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great